Hello, let me make a demo of improved version of salute functions. In the current sprint, we introduced something called a function context. And basically context is nothing more than just a special function with this specific context name, which can get some value and use it during the function invocation. So right now in a context, we have four variables: current user ID, date now in a format like year, month, day, date time now, the same plus time. And also we have a date time now UTC. This is current UTC date in ISO format. Let's try to open design of our Pratman Salute dialog. Here I have a prompt. In this prompt, in order to grab a name, I just invoke user info function with a name result. Same for country, but when I try to get a user ID, I'm trying to fetch this value from a context, as well as date now, date time now, and date time UTC now. All these four values are going from a context, and of course we'll have current values for the invocation in a time. Let's try to start our dialog from mobile app. So here we're going to open test chat. And in the prompt, we have name and country as a result of a function, but user ID with the current user ID, date now in a format like year, month, day, date time now plus time, and the UTC value for today. So that's a context. Also, in the current sprint, it started to be possible to invoke this daily start function, this fn salute daily queries. So if I try to execute this function, for example, for yesterday, we will have a result from Azure. For example, let's pay attention to the number of users 31 for yesterday. In this function, or in this API call, we have something which need to be changed according to the current date. Like this date needs to be always today. If we try to open design of salute function in the functions API, I'm going to get all functions. And here we have salute daily queries. In the URI, we have a special placeholder in a curly braces date now. This is exactly value from a context, but for a function. So date now will be replaced with a current date as it described here. It will be year, month, day. So let's try to get this function from the mobile app dialog. It's right here in our design. Next prompt, I have some values from a user info function, but here is fn salute daily queries number of new users, also from date and to date from the same function. Let's try it in a mobile app. I answer and get next prompt. In the next prompt, I have new users today is 25. From date is today, and today is also today. So number new users 25 for today. Let's compare this one with a postman. So I'm once again going to invoke from a postman salute daily queries, but with a current day. Like that. And we have 25. That's salute functions context API demo. Thank you so much.